everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are going to look inside this month's BoxyCharm boxes. I have the BoxyCharm premium box right here, and then I also have the BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe box. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in both of these boxes. For those of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription program, and within that program you can subscribe to the base box, which is a box smaller than the ones I just showed you. I don't have a base box to show you, but with that subscription it's $25 a month. What you receive with your base box is 4 to 5 full-size products equaling a total value of over $100 of brands that you know and use. It is a great little subscription program. You can upgrade to the BoxyCharm Premium and BoxyLuxe boxes. Now the BoxyCharm Premium box, it's a box that's slightly bigger. That is $35 a month, and I believe you get 67 full-size products. Yes, 67 full-size products valued at over $175 for $35 a month. And if you want to further upgrade your subscription, you can do the BoxyLuxe box. Now this box is sent out quarterly, so you get it 4 times a year, and this subscription offers you 8 beauty and lifestyle items, and it is $50 every 3 months. So $50 every 3 months on top of what you're already paying for a base box or the Boxy Premium box. So we are going to now go ahead and open up our boxes, starting with the Boxy Premium box. And I'm so excited. Ooh, hopefully that wasn't too loud for you. I just moved the other box over to the side. Now what I am so excited about this Boxy Premium box is that I heard it's full of like Fenty beauty products this month, and I'm so excited about that because for those of you who don't know what Fenty Beauty is, it's Rihanna's makeup brand, and it's not a cheap makeup brand. It's quite expensive, so not, you know, I can't always afford Fenty Beauty products. So I'm really excited if this really does have a bunch of like Fenty Beauty stuff in it. So we are opening up a box. Inside each box you get these little cards, and there's descriptions of the products on these cards. So yes, that is exactly what this box is. I am so excited because it is right here. It says BoxyCharm Fenty Beauty. So this whole box has Fenty Beauty products in it. And again, the Boxy Premium box is $35 a month. So we're gonna go in and dive into our first little item. And ooh, the first thing I see is a palette. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette. Ooh, let's open that up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, put the little box over there. Ooh, oh, how pretty. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at the little design on it. It's nice and smooth. Okay, let's open this up and check this out. I can't open it. There we go. Oh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, there's a lot of beautiful little shades in here. So here is what the inside of that palette looks like. There are a lot of gorgeous shades. There's some matte, some shimmers. I can't wait to play with this. How exciting. What I'll do for you is I'm going to add up the box at the end and see what the box totals for only $35. Now this one was the palette, where is it? Oh, Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. So this has 16 richly pigmented shades serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. And the MSRP on that is $29. Next up is the Fenty Beauty Freestyle Highlighter in Trophy Wife. So let's take a look at that. And here is what it looks like, and let's open it up and see what that shade is. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Dang. Let's swatch it for you. Whoa. Wow, look at that. Ooh, I don't know if I would wear it as a highlighter. I would probably wear it like as a shimmer color on my eyelid versus a highlighter, because it's a little too much for me for a highlighter. But how gorgeous is that? And that MSRP's for $36. So that alone is more than my monthly subscription. Okay, so this is the, oh, they're blotting papers. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, okay, so there's like this little case that you put this roll of blotting papers in, then you can put it like in your purse or whatnot. How cool is that? So it comes, and it has a little tiny mirror on it as well. That is so neat. I love that. How neat. Okay, let's see what these blotting papers are MSRP for. $16. So that MSRP is for $16. What a cute thing. What is this? Let's look at this. This is the match stick. So this is a shimmer skin stick, and this is in the shade Unicorn. Ooh. Let's see. If I can get it open, we'll be able to look at it. So I like the shape of her products. Like, I just think this is a cute little shape. So let's open this up. Ooh, dang, look at that. Oh, see, it does have like a little bit of a shimmery purple iridescent kind of look to it. That's interesting. It says here for this match stick, shimmer skin stick, a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Interesting. This MSRP is for $25. So you can wear this as a highlight, as a eyeshadow, whatever your little heart desires. Next up is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. Again, cute little shape, but look at this, guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. We are going to, of course, swatch this. Actually, I might just put it on my lips since it is a lip gloss. Let's put it on our lips. So I'm gonna use the mirror from my highlighter thing here. And it has like a candy taste to it. Ooh. I like this, how pretty. And it's nice and shimmery. It has a little bit of sparkles to it. I love it. How cool is that? And again, it tastes like candy, so you can't really feel when something tastes like candy. All right, ooh, that one, MSRP is for, let's see, where is lip gloss? There it is. Okay, so this one MSRP is for $19. Moving along is the last thing in the box, and that is this, this looks like a lipstick or a lip gloss. Plush Matte Lipstick. So Plush Matte Lipstick, and what shade is this? This is called Candy Venom. Ooh, dang. Oh, and it has a little FB on the tippity top of it. So here is this. This is a really pretty shade. So let's swatch this lipstick shade. And here's what that shade looks like. Very pretty pink shade. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot. So, and that little lipstick, matte lipstick, MSRP is for $18. So we are going to now tally all this up and see what this box totals. So the highlighter, MSRP is for $36, and then we got the match stick, shimmer skin stick, that was that unicorn color. And then we have the Moroccan Spice palette, that was $29. The Gloss Bomb lip gloss was $19. The Plush Matte lipstick was $18, and then you have your blotting papers that were $16. Our total is $143. How cool is that to only spend $35 for a box that totaled $143, and it was all Fenty Beauty products. And I think that is just awesome because I might not have spent money on that, but now I've only spent $35. So I was really excited about that. Moving on to our BoxyLuxe box. This one costs $50 every 3 months, so you get it 4 times a year. It comes with a little card that tells you what's inside with descriptions, as well as the other boxes do. Okay, so the first thing I saw in the box is this. This is the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette. We're going to open it up and take a look. Oh, look at these beautiful little shades. Oh my gosh, I love this. How pretty is this palette? Look at those, look at that blue and that green. Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. This is gonna be nice. There's some mattes, there's some shimmers, there's some fun little glitter shades. This little glitter one right down here. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. So what does this guy MSRP for? $39. Moving along. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm excited about this. This is, I believe, a curling wand. Yay, yes, it's by Sultra Beauty. It's the mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. Oh my gosh. It comes in this little bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've wanted one of these for the longest time. And I just, again, don't want to spend my money on it. So, oh my gosh, how cool. Here it is. It is a beautiful little curling wand, and it is travel size, which is perfect. And what you do with these, you just kind of wrap your hair around, hold it in place, and you have beautiful curls. This tiny little curling wand is $50. So next up in our box of goodies is this. This is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. So this is for color protected hair to keep the hair color looking vibrant. And this MSRP is for $30, and I'm going to read the description on it just so we can learn a little bit more about it. I do love this brand. I use their dry shampoo. That says it is to shield your hair color from daily damage. Protect and Prevent Spray helps keep hair color from fading and becoming brassy. So that is awesome. I can't wait to try this. And that MSRP is again for $30. I don't know if I said that. If I did, I'm saying it again. So next up is the Elizabeth Matte Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo. Oh, cool. All right, let's check this out. Here is this one, and this is in the shade Pearl. Can I put that here? So I put that right there. Can you guys see that? It's really, it's really light. Oh, there we go. It's kind of hitting the sun there, or the light. And then this is the shade Raven. Ooh, dang, I'm gonna put it right next to Pearl. Ooh, this is a beautiful black color. Ooh, I like that. So again, Elizabeth Matte Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo with this eyeliner, a super creamy and slightly shimmery creamy eyeliner. So that's kind of neat. I can't wait to give these a little try. And those are $40. Holy cow, these are 20 bucks each. Holy Lord. Okay, well, moving on. Looking in my box, I see something that I do recognize. I have used these creams before. They're amazing. These are the Sol de Janeiro moisturizing creams. This one is called the Coco Cabana cream, and this is called Brazilian Bum Bum cream. And one is just more like moisturizing than the other. That's the only really, I think, difference between these two. Both work wonderful. They are awesome little moisturizers. Now these MSRP for, let's see, where are they? Where's my Sol de Janeiro? There we go. The Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. This MSRP is for $15. Next, I see one of my favorite brands, NARS, and it is a lip pigment. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, I like this shade. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Wow, okay. So let's do, I'm gonna swatch it on this hand because I don't have anything on this hand yet. Ooh, look at that. How beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, I love NARS. Like anything NARS makes, I absolutely love, and you know it's made very, very, very well. So this is, again, their lip pigment. So the shade to this NARS, I don't think I mentioned it, is called Get Up, Stand Up. So that is what this shade is for the lip pigment. And this is just so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it. Now, the NARS lip pigment MSRP is for 25 bucks. Moving along to this. Now, this is kind of interesting. What is this? This is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So, what this is it is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. So you're going to use this to kind of like clean and buff and tone your face. That's pretty neat. I can't wait to give this a try. This MSRP is for $99. Holy cow. Let's see what's next in our little box of treasures. It is this. This is Deborah Lippmann, and it looks like it's nail polish. So let me open it up. Oh, it is nail polish. So we got 2 cute little pink shades of nail polish. They're on the horizon, and then this one is called Can't Stop the Feeling. How cute. What adorable little name. So the little nail polish duo is $19. Those are all the products. So we're going to hurry up and tally up these products and see how much it comes to. So the mini ceramic curling iron was $50. The Sol de Janeiro moisturizing creams were $15. The Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette was $39. The PM Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device was $99. The NARS Lip Pigment was $25. The Elizabeth Matte Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo was $40. The nail polish set was $19. And the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray for your color treated hair was $30. So we have a total of $317. I only spent $50 on this, and I got all of these beautiful, wonderful, exciting products. I'm so excited to try these out. So there you have it. If you haven't subscribed to BoxyCharm, I highly recommend it. Even if you don't have 35 or 50 bucks to spend, if you have 25, you do still get 4 to 5 full-size products. And I do think it is 100% worth the money. That is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.